Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI Spokesperson Video Builder, there's something you need to know first. Because this software claims it can replace actors, voiceover artists, studios, editors, and even expensive AI avatar subscriptions. So, I'm going to show you exactly what AI Spokesperson Video Builder is, what you get inside, the pros, the cons, and whether this is actually a hidden gem, or just another AI tool making big promises. If you decide to pick up AI Spokesperson Video Builder, make sure you use my link below this video, because I've put together 2 exclusive bonuses worth over $3,000 for completely free. What is AI Spokesperson Video Builder? AI Spokesperson Video Builder is an AI-powered platform that creates realistic talking presenter videos from simple text. Instead of hiring actors, recording yourself, or spending hours editing videos, you simply choose an AI presenter, paste your script, and let the software generate a complete spokesperson video automatically. The system includes realistic AI presenters, natural human-like voices, perfect lip-sync technology, AI script writing, subtitles, video editing, and even voice cloning. Benefits: why people are interested? Because video converts. People trust faces. And spokesperson videos consistently outperform plain text, slideshows, and image ads. But creating professional presenter videos usually costs hundreds of dollars per video. With AI Spokesperson Video Builder, users can create unlimited spokesperson videos, generate videos in multiple languages, build ads and sales videos faster, create YouTube and social content, offer video creation services to clients. Inside the platform, you'll find realistic AI presenters. Choose from multiple male and female spokespersons. AI voice engine, human-like voices with emotion and accent control. Perfect lip sync, natural mouth movement synchronized with every word. AI script writer, turn ideas into scripts instantly. Voice cloning, create videos using your own cloned voice. Talking photo technology, turn any photo into a speaking presenter. Auto captions and subtitles, increase engagement and retention automatically. Smart editing, transitions, music, branding, and formatting are added automatically. Commercial rights, create videos for clients and keep 100% of the profits. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros: very beginner friendly, no camera required, no editing skills needed, commercial rights included, multiple languages supported, one-time payment instead of monthly subscriptions, can save a lot of production time. Cons: AI presenters are impressive but not completely identical to real humans, internet connection required since it's cloud-based, and advanced users may still want external editing for high-end projects. Results: what to expect? It can dramatically speed up content creation. You can create sales videos, product promotions, client spokesperson videos, course introductions, YouTube content, social media ads, business presentations for freelancers and marketers. Now let's talk about my bonuses. Bonus 1: AI Video Agency Accelerator Kit. Value: $1,497. You'll learn how to find clients, how to price your services, how to close deals, how to scale your income using AI-powered video creation. Perfect for freelancers and agency owners. Bonus 2: Traffic and AMP. Viral Video Domination Masterclass. Value: $1,997. You'll discover YouTube traffic strategies, TikTok growth methods, short-form content systems, organic marketing tactics, and how to turn views into leads and sales. Combined value: over $3,494, and you'll get both bonuses free when you purchase through my link below. So, is AI Spokesperson Video Builder worth it? If you're looking for a simple way to create professional spokesperson videos without actors, cameras, expensive software, or monthly subscriptions, then yes, worth trying. If you want to check out AI Spokesperson Video Builder and claim my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.